Right, this how-to guide on how to clean your detergent drawer on your Hoover Nextra series washing machine. So, locate the drawer at the top, pull it out. Right, so to get the drawer out, pull, and you can give it a good tug, but if it doesn't release, like this one doesn't, you're going to have to simply push these in at the side and pull. It does sound like it's breaking it, but trust me, it doesn't. Right, so what you're then going to want to clean is all this and the inside of the drawer as well. See, all that wants to be cleaned. Right, so bring your tray detergent drawer to the sink. You want to use warm to hot water. Remove the softener grate, that side, up. This is very hot water actually, it's directly hot, so you want to have cold water, slightly cold water in this, but my hands are very resistant to heat, so. Don't want to use this on the front side as it will probably rub off all the writing on the front. You don't want that. So just use a soft cloth when you clean the front. There you go. So if it's crystallised and you really are struggling, you can use a screwdriver to try and flathead one, like that. Just try and scrape it up, look, see? It's that hard, look. It won't dissolve. That's basically what's happened. You know, all powders can crystallise, but the one common one to crystallise is added oxy-action detergents such as Vanish. They can crystallise, so my recommendation when you're putting oxy-action, Vanish in, etc., is to always put it on top of your powder in the drawer. Right, it is softer grate, as indicated it. Obviously, this hole is offset to the left. There we are. Don't click in or anything. Just straight down. There we are. Now we'll get back to the machine. Right, get your drawer. Line it up. Both sides here. And push. It is a big push, it is a tough push, but it will go in. Right, just finally get a cloth, just quickly rub the front down for any excess moisture that's left from when you're washing it. That's it, it's all done now. A clean drawer now ready for use. Thank you for watching, I hope you found this helpful.